everyone, and welcome to day 6 of the December daily. I'm going to be showing you how I have decorated it, but first I just want to show you what I have left from the kit, just mere scraps. I do have some of the sentiments left over. I specifically left the birthday ones out, and that's because I do have a couple of birthdays in December and I'm going to use them for the photos and things. So let me show you the daily. As you can see, it turned out to be really chunky. It grew, it got fat, I think, you know, like most things do at Christmas. But yeah, it's definitely full and packed, and I'm going to just take you through each page by page. For the front cover, I decided to replicate the Christmas wreath that I made for my first design team project. So here's page number 1. I've gone ahead and numbered all the pages using these felt numbers, and then I just decorated it, and then where there was a pocket, I've included some of these die cut head mini shapes which come with the album. For page 2, I just used some of the stamped images and the sentiments and just popped them up with some foam dots, and then just decorated the back. For day 3, I've used one of my Julie Knitting dolls, and one of my favourite pieces on this is the Minnie Mouse with the stacked up presents. I just think it's so cute. And then when you open it up, I kind of left it as a little bit of a peekaboo with Mickey saying Merry Christmas. And then here on day 4, I used the backpack, and I love this word joy, and I added some twine bow there. And then inside, I just laid it up with some of the green card that I had left over from making the wreath, and I used some sentiments in there also. For day 5, I included making some shakers in here, so this was really fun, and I used the washi tape that I stuck on some cardboard just to cover up the hot glue that I used to glue the pocket letter together. So for day 6, I included the number onto the lens, and then I stuck one of the ephemera pieces on the pull-out photo, and this is one of the larger Mickey heads that I've put in that belly band, and then I've also done the same on this side. So number 7 and a large Mickey head, and it's great for journaling on the back. And again with my Julie Knitting doll. This one was really super cute. I really like this little tiny journaling card. Included a little stamped image on the back, which is really fun. And then for day 9, I just used some of the sentiments just to go over the envelopes. These are the stamped sentiments that come with the stamp set that's in the kit, and I thought it really worked out lovely. For this side, I actually used one of the Julie Knitting dolls and the backpack die to create a tuck spot for this Mickey head journaling card. For day 11, I went for a Christmas red and green theme, and that worked really well with the cute little Mickey and his Santa sack. And on the back, I went for red and black, and I love the use of using the 2 different types of sentiment in the kit. For day 13, I fancied up this envelope, which is something I absolutely love to do anyway. And then on the back, I used one of the little jemmies on the envelope. And then inside, I actually just used some of the scraps on some of the leftover yellow cardstock, just to make a little card to stick inside. For day 14, I used the Polaroid camera die, and I just pulled out the Polaroid picture and stuck the number there, which I thought was a really cute idea. I've used another die cut Mickey head as the tag into that small pocket, and I love the fact that it still shakes. For day 15, I just used some sentiment that said best ever adventure and the peppermint die. I used a couple of the stamped images, but I didn't do too much on the day 15 just because it's a large flip. I didn't want to make it too bulky, and also this is a great place for adding photos. For day 16, I did some more shaker bits in the pocket letter, as well as decorating them ATCs and leaving some blank space on the back. And then for day 17, I really didn't touch this much at all. I added a couple of the Mickey head gems and some of the dots, but I really just loved the waterfall and the ribbon. Just a great place for adding photos and white space for journaling, making notes. This is probably one of my favorite pages. I just love the ribbon and how it makes it look like an actual present. For day 18, I kept it really simple. Again, I used one of the Mickey heads for journaling spot there. And then I just worked with the colour combinations. So I kept with the greens and yellows and just made a couple of clusters with the stamped images. For day 19, I used the backpack die to create a little tuck spot and created another little tag made of scraps. I really love this tag. I love the opposite colours that it has. I love the Christmas colours with the blue as well. So for day 21, another large pocket. Again, I've used one of the Mickey heads for journaling. I didn't want to overload this page. It is so Mickey, but I love the sentiment that I created saying Happy Gingerbread Christmas. On day 22, I used the sentiments that come with the die. It says best day ever. And I just used some of the smaller images. And then for day 23, this is the pocket. I've just decorated this. I absolutely love the colours here. And then on the back, I left the blank of the photo. I thought maybe you could use that for journaling also. Then in the actual pocket, what I've done is I've taken the large album head and I actually attached it with some twine and I sort of bootlace it up. And I used this sparkly white sparkle paper that comes with the kit for this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love how it shines. For day 24, I absolutely love the slimline pocket. I love all the vibrant colours that are going off on here. And then it's just so perfect to fit in one of these smaller size Mickey heads as a journaling spot. On the back, it looks like Minnie Mouse is carol singing with these sentiment words. I just think it's so adorable. And here is day 25, the folio. I absolutely love it. I used the acetate on the back, and then the front I absolutely love the white with the pops of red and blue, and then inside is so Christmassy, red, white, green, and the gingerbread. Oh, it just come together so amazing. I put the die cut Mickey heads in the pockets. I wrote the 25th day using the sentiments. I just love Mickey Minnie getting ready for Christmas. Used a bit of washi tape as well as decoration. And again, I wrote gingerbread Christmas because of all the gingerbread that's on there. Oh, it's like if you could smell it, it would smell like Christmas. I absolutely love it. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and I hope that you've enjoyed this entire series, day 1 to 6. Like I said at the beginning, it is my biggest project to date. I've never done anything so big, and I just want to say a massive thank you to Lesley at Lesley's Crafts and Gifts for allowing me to be a guest designer on her team again. I had so much fun with this kit. It's definitely worth the money. I've been able to make 3 amazing projects with this. I still have those scraps. I think I'm gonna go on and make some collages and maybe some cards with it, but this has been absolutely amazing, such fun. I'm going to pop up the pictures, the full length pictures of everything onto my Instagram. I'll also put them onto the Facebook group that's linked in the description box, along with all of the socials and where to shop if you're interested in purchasing any of Lesley's products from her store. That's Lesley's Crafts and Gifts. And I just again want to say thank you so much to Lesley and for everyone for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye.